In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up appointment slots in Jotform. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable booking setup that keeps your schedule under control and easy for people to use. Start by logging into Jotform and opening the form you want to use for bookings. In the Form Builder, head to Form Elements, then Widgets, and search for Appointment. Drag the appointment field into your form. Place it where it makes the most sense in your layout, and keep in mind that you can rename the label to match your use case, like consultation, office hours, or class booking. Adding this field is what enables all the scheduling tools you're about to set up. Next, click the appointment field you just added, then open Options or Properties. This is where all the key controls live. You'll see sections for appointment type, availability, time slots, and limits. Think of these as the 4 pillars of your booking logic: what you're offering, when you're available, how long each slot is, and how many bookings you'll allow. Under appointment type, choose the structure that fits your needs. Single appointments allow only one booking per time slot, perfect for private meetings or one-on-one sessions. Multiple appointments let several people book the same slot, great for classes, workshops, or group demos. Recurring appointments generate repeating slots daily or weekly, which is helpful if your schedule is consistent. Pick the model that matches your workflow so visitors book exactly how you intend. Now set your available dates. Go to Availability and open Date Settings. You can choose specific dates, select certain days of the week, or set a start and end date range. If you're seasonal or running a short program, a date range is ideal. You can also exclude holidays or specific days to block off times you're not available, so your calendar reflects real-life constraints. Move on to time settings to define your daily schedule. Set your start and end times, like 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 p.m. Choose the appointment duration, such as 30 minutes per slot, and add breaks or buffer times. For example, 30-minute slots with a 10-minute buffer help prevent back-to-back overbooking and give you space for notes or prep time. You can also use breaks to protect lunch or midway downtime. Finally, open limits to control how many bookings you'll accept. Set the maximum appointments per slot and the maximum per user, which is usually 1. These limits prevent double bookings and keep things fair and manageable. With these settings in place, your appointment field will handle bookings smoothly and keep your schedule organized.